Look, God cares about even the little things, okay? I'm about to read a story to you about some men working, and their axe head broke off its shaft and fell into the water, and God floated it back up to the surface, okay? They lost something that was important to them. It may not have been important to the next man or the next man or the next side, but it was important to them. To them, it was something great, okay? To someone else, it may have been trivial. But the point is, God cares about what you care about, and you can ask Him. You can ask Him to handle even your smallest matters. Holy Spirit, reveal this to me. Holy Spirit, recover this for me. Holy Spirit, restore this to me. Look, it's all here. I'm going to read now. This is 2 Kings chapter 6, verses 5 through 7. But as one was falling a beam, the axe head fell into the water, and he cried and said, "Alas, master, for it was borrowed." He was upset. He was worried, okay? First of all, it wasn't even his own axe head that he was using as a tool to work with, okay? He borrowed it from someone so he could work with it. He was even more distraught. And the man of God said, "Where fell it?" And he shewed him the place. And he cut down a stick and cast it in thither. And then the iron did swim. The iron did swim. The iron axe head floated back up to the surface. They prayed and asked God to reveal it back to them so that they could have it back, so that they could have it restored to them. God cared about the axe head floating up to the surface. So don't you know God cares about something that you lost? All you got to do is say, "Holy Spirit, return to me and reveal to me and restore to me what I lost." Just like you did in your word, you floated the axe head back up to the surface. Ask you to float my axe head back up to the surface. And He will in Jesus' holy name by the power of the Holy Spirit. That's how that works, baby. Look, y'all know what it is. Y'all Wiz Gangster Disciple, a.k.a. Machine Gun Preacher. Huh?